The ProBlend is an easy-to-use product which we can move quickly from container to container and effectively mix and agitate product which has been standing idle or which is slow to move on colder days. We tried various mixing methods but found them too invasive, whereas the ProBlend is a neat solution which we don't need to maintain or clean after use. We just place it on the containers and leave it to do its job. The results have been excellent and have saved us valuable time and avoided problems further down the line.
Here it is performing in action. This video illustrates the power of the bubble and the movement that occurs within the container. In this demonstration, we used red dye to illustrate the complete mixing of the product. We have increased the speed of this video to show how successful the ProBlend performs. The value it delivers: total operational efficiencies, complete mixing, delivers superior product homogeneity, and reduces costly product returns and rework. Quick and easy to use, lightweight, compact design, and turn, click, and go interface simplifies mixing operations and maximizes worker productivity. Protects workers and the environment. Closed system design provides greater worker safety and environmental protection than other types of mixing systems. Reduces cost and waste. One ProBlend mixer can be used on multiple containers, which eliminates the cost of a mixer per container. Customers get what they pay for by improving product consistency and the ability to maximize extraction with minimal waste or product loss. Optimize product quality due to a more homogeneous mix. The ProBlend also helps assure a consistent product and a consistent customer experience. Always closed for ultimate control. Closed system dry break design minimizes spills, stains, and exposure, and allows for control throughout the liquid handling process. Closed packaging, closed filling, closed mixing, and closed dispensing. No mess, no stains, and no spills. No equipment to insert into container. No generation of rinsate, and no product waste. Less is more with the ProBlend. Increased mixing speed and faster container switchover equals decreased labor time and lower costs. Mix more containers more quickly. A single ProBlend mixing system can be used on multiple drums and IBCs.